A control panel and mobile frame make wood splitting a seamless one-person operation. This hydraulic powerhouse, equipped with a high-speed conveyor belt, devours logs and produces tidy firewood in seconds. An automatic feeding system and precise splitting mechanism ensure consistent, high-performance results under any workload. This tool combines a saw and splitter into one powerful machine. With a hydraulic system exerting 35 tons of force and a precision remote-controlled system, it simplifies the entire process. One swift action, and your perfectly cut firewood is ready to use. The automated machine instantly transforms logs into planks using a powerful pendulum blade. Precise movements, smooth cutting, and the log is cut into straight blanks. A real combat sawmill. The Avant horizontal cleaver turns even the hardest wood into neat logs in seconds. The powerful hydraulic cylinders splits the log along its fibers with enough force to move a car. How does it work? The clamps lock the wood and the blade cuts smoothly but steadily into the wood to create uniform logs. The Mini Loader Wood Splitter is a versatile firewood cutter that turns any log into neat logs in minutes. Its hydraulic splitting mechanism plunges into the wood under pressure, splitting the trunks into the right pieces, as if it were just a piece of wood. Powerful splitting blades literally tear massive trunks into even pieces. In 2 movements, these knives do what no axe can do, turning massive chunks of wood into neat logs in seconds. This cylinder milling machine transforms trunks into perfectly smooth blanks. The rotor mechanism efficiently removes the bark, making each pass quick and clean. The finished wood needs no further refinement, perfect for subsequent operations. This is a high-tech wood splitter that turns even large logs into logs in seconds. Mounted on a maneuverable loader, it works right on the spot, splitting wood with high speed and minimal effort on the part of the operator, saving time. This is a powerful tandem for processing small logs into even, uniform boards. First, the STH circular saw cuts the log into large pieces, after which the VC multi-blade saw processes each piece, producing several pieces of lumber at the same time. Look at the 1100 horsepower giant that mercilessly turns logs into wood chips. Seconds later, the log is fed into the powerful chipper teeth, and the output is a fine fraction for biofuel or mulch. The combination of diesel and hybrid drive allows the machine to work even under high loads. The professional MeBore machine processes wood with precision, turning it into smooth, even boards. With its wide working table and heavy-duty motor, it can easily handle material of any complexity and size. The log, before it realizes what has happened, is in the iron embrace of the machine, and the bark literally falls off, leaving a perfectly smooth trunk. The tandem of the machines works synchronously, like clockwork, cleaning each log to a shine. The video shows in great detail how the powerful equipment gets the job done, turning dense overgrowth in trees into neat stacks of wood. Here you can see the power and precision of professional machines. This heavy-duty tugger confidently pulls huge logs out of the forest. Its traction and precision make it indispensable in difficult conditions, when the quality of the towing depends on the success of the logging operation. This horizontal bandsaw is capable of processing massive trunks with exceptional precision. The wide blade neatly separates the wood into even boards, turning the workpiece into material ready for any project. Load the logs, and the powerful knives shriek to crush them into wood chips. Fast, productive, and straight to stock. Ideal for creating mulch or fuel, with every bit of wood going to work. Massive branches seem to surrender to the saw blade. And here's the moment of truth. One neat cut, and the branch falls down majestically. The main thing is to step aside in time, because this is an exciting but dangerous spectacle. On steep slopes, this beast shows itself to be a master of balance and strength, confidently gripping and stacking trees. Hydraulic arms and a stable undercarriage make it a true king of the mountain logging. The powerful Senebogen loader with its massive trailer can easily handle the transportation of logs. The long arm easily picks up the logs and stacks them neatly, keeping the bulky load in order. This harvester works with the precision of a predator. Grab, cut, and trim branches, all in a matter of seconds. Even on difficult terrain, it remains stable, as if it was designed specifically for challenging forest conditions. Neglected trees in the windbreak are turned to gold at the touch of a Woodcracker C550 from Westech. This architect of green spaces not only frees fields from unnecessary shadows and water-hungry giants, but also gives all the other trees in the field nourishment, bringing balance back into the ecosystem. With its help, every pruning, every cut becomes a contribution to the future harvest, making the harvesting process something magical. The Woodcracker C550 is a feller buncher and a true giant among tree shears, effortlessly handling the task of harvesting trees up to 1.8 feet in diameter. The Aztec Cone Crusher handles all types of stones and wood residues, turning them into fine crushed stone and mulch. Clear dimensional control and powerful tines make the crusher ideal for the production of construction material. Meet the Pezzolato All-Road, a true beast for every road task. This versatile wood chopper and wood chipper can handle any vegetation and turn it into neat firewood or wood chips. Equipped with a powerful 300 horsepower engine that allows you to work non-stop. Its hydraulic system makes it easy to operate, and its maximum hopper capacity reaches 706 cubic feet. You can transport this machine on any road without worrying about its off-road capability. How about giving your tree work some wild power? The feller puncher in front of you is a powerful tool made for real professionals. Thanks to its high-quality HB 450 steel, it can easily handle pruning and felling trees, turning a labor-intensive process into an easy task. From fields and slopes to bogs and forest trails, this all-rounder is suitable for a wide variety of conditions. Need a reliable helper for gardening, farming, or landscaping? Then you know which machine to look out for. How can you experience full control over the transportation of long timber? Dahl offers the answer. Self-driving trailers that turn transportation into an art form. Whether you choose the 2-axle or 3-axle version, your load, up to 72 feet, will be safe and under control. With a state-of-the-art CAN bus system and adaptability to any chassis, these trailers play by your rules. And the crane? It's not just here for loading. With the multi-telescopic adapters, it opens up new horizons of use. So friends, are you ready to become a master of wood logistics, where every trip becomes a masterpiece of convenience and versatility? Do you know what you can say about the SPV2? That's the professional's choice for any application, providing maximum functionality and superior performance. With a unique choice of 7 different sets of levers, engine power, steering configuration, and a host of optional extras, this machine is a great investment. You can see for yourself on your screens what the machine is capable of. Ventrac is not just a loader, but a kind of wizard among gardening equipment. With its log grapple and powerful bucket, even the toughest tree clearing jobs become highly efficient, removing obstacles one by one. It doesn't just remove debris, it does it with incredible grace, as if dancing on its workstation. And thanks to its flexible flex frame, Ventrac goes around obstacles like a skilled acrobat, leaving no trace behind, only cleanliness and order. Meet the Prinoth Raptor 100. This is not just a machine, but a whole beast in the world of earth-moving works. If you think your project is too challenging, this rotary deep ripper will prove otherwise. Power? How about 100 horsepower capable of breaking through any obstacles? Using advanced technologies, the Raptor 100 turns the toughest ground into perfect soil for new plantings. Neither the roots nor stones can withstand its power. When it comes to landscaping, Kobelco's M-Planter M160R isn't just a helper, it's a whole team member. With its 160 horsepower, this guy can plant a forest faster than you can say photosynthesis. And with his crawler, he doesn't care what kind of ground he's working on. Whether it's clay or sand, he's always at his best. Now imagine it working its way through the ground like butter works its way through a hot toast. How many trees do you think he'll plant while you're watching the video? The SFH from FAE is a revolutionary attachment that will change the way you approach tillage. Designed for tractors up to 500 horsepower, this powerful unit chops trees up to 18 inches in diameter and crushes rocks up to 14 inches, working up to 16 inches below the ground surface. The advanced side-geared transmission efficiently converts energy power into the speed and torque you need. Equipped with your John Deere, and the SFH will take your capabilities to the next level with high performance and amazing results. Consider the Battleaxe Series 20 from Lofness, a true professional in its class, specially designed for excavators from 10,000 to 20,000 pounds. This amazing tool is equipped with a depth limiter and an innovative 2-stage cutting chamber, guaranteeing exceptional performance and the ability to create very fine particles. It's the perfect choice for those seeking power and precision in vegetation management and wood processing. Suitable for work in confined spaces where high accuracy and control are required. How about a little trimming for your hedge? Lamier's LRS 2002 is like a magic tool that helps trimming shrubs not just necessary, but fun. This saw is a true stylist for your fields and protective strips, preventing wind damage and erosion with ease and grace. Need to walk along paths in the woods where branches almost set up ambushes? The LRS 2002 will do the job. And what's more, it can easily be mounted on almost any machine, from tractors to excavators. The grapple does not just grab the logs, but compresses them with such force that no species of wood can resist it. The principle of operation is based on powerful hydraulics that control the steel fingers, providing a reliable grip and fast loading of wood. Rotating 360 degrees, the grapple can be easily maneuvered even in the most inaccessible places. The branch trimmer, which is mounted on the side arms, either hydraulic or mechanical, is a fast and efficient tree trimmer. The 700mm diameter circular saw neatly trims branches, and, if necessary, also small trees. This is a powerful hybrid hacker that turns even the toughest branches into fine wood chips. Equipped with a unique quick changeover system to electric motor, allowing it to run quietly and economically in confined spaces, and diesel-powered in the field or forest without losing power. It easily chokes even tree trunks, turning them into fuel, mulch, or raw material for the paper industry. The trencher is a 3-row machine with a maximum digging depth of up to 4 feet and a width of up to 12 inches. It works on the rotary digging principle. Powerful rotating blades quickly cut the soil and remove it to the side. The operator adjusts the depth and width, and then the machine starts moving, leaving behind deep trenches. The rotochopper, with its powerful rotor and sharp tines, eats up railroad ties as if it were a light snack. The B66L, on the other hand, like a gastronomic critic, finishes everything to the perfect fine particle size. This feller brancher is equipped with a powerful engine and a precise sat head, which carefully cuts knots and splits the wood into rolls. Automated processes and intuitive operation ensure high productivity and minimal waste.
Number 2, high draw bar to weight ratio. Easily maneuver and climb in rough terrain,
Welcome back to Smart Tech. Today, we're showcasing some incredible tools that take firewood splitting to a whole new level. Let's see these innovations in action. This gearbox splitter makes preparing for winter both efficient and enjoyable. While it effortlessly crushes logs, you can relax with a cup of tea and think about how to spend your extra free time. Its speed and effectiveness will leave your neighbors quietly admiring. A branch shredder works like a beast, turning twigs into chips so quickly the branches wouldn't even have time to protest. Reliable, powerful, and versatile, it cleans up your yard while leaving you with perfectly prepared material in no time. The Hercules circular saw stands as a gladiator among tools, effortlessly tackling logs up to 12 inches in diameter. With a 4,500 RPM high-speed blade, it slices through wood like butter, while the reinforced steel frame absorbs vibrations for a seamless operation. Adjust the depth, set the angle, and enjoy perfectly cut pieces for your stove. The semi-manual log splitter gives the axe a well-earned rest while crowning you the ruler of perfect firewood. With a 6.5 horsepower engine and a 50-pound flywheel powering the wedge, logs don't stand a chance. Need specific sizes? Set the stop and let the machine handle the hard work while you enjoy precision and efficiency. The manual axe, with an 8-blade splitter, works like 8 synchronized guillotines, splitting logs into evenly cut pieces with a single strike. Compact, lightweight, and incredibly effective, it turns firewood splitting into an enjoyable activity, effortlessly creating perfect pieces with each swing. A DIY log splitter combines affordability with exceptional performance. Using a winch, bolts, a latch, and a bit of creativity, you can build a machine that efficiently handles firewood on your property. Compact, cost-effective, and easy to assemble, it demonstrates that budget-friendly solutions can be both robust and efficient. An electric log splitter is where manual labor takes a back seat and innovation takes the lead. The electric motor powers a gearbox that effortlessly splits logs. Just place the wood in, and out comes ready-to-use firewood. The best part? It's dependable and requires zero effort from your muscles. Milling maple with a chainsaw feels like artistry with gasoline and steel. A carbide-toothed blade glides through the wood effortlessly, delivering clean cuts with minimal waste. The combination of speed and precision makes the process both efficient and exhilarating. The Oregon log splitter is a powerhouse, boasting 28 tons of splitting force and a 9-horsepower motor that makes quick work of even the toughest logs. Its 24-inch hydraulic cylinder stroke, hardened steel wedge, and vertical operation mode are designed for heavy-duty tasks, effortlessly handling logs up to 24 inches in diameter. The PTO-driven log splitter puts your tractor to work while you enjoy the results. The power takeoff shaft spins the flywheel at 540 RPM, effortlessly splitting even the most stubborn logs into tiny firewood in seconds. With a detachable frame, adjustable splitting wedge, and a capacity of up to 10 cubic meters per hour, it's a game changer for large-scale firewood preparation. A hydraulic log splitter transforms backbreaking labor into a breeze with just a pull of a lever. Minimal effort, maximum efficiency, and suddenly you're standing next to a perfectly stacked pile of firewood, feeling like a champion lumberjack. This gearbox splitter is like a personal trainer for your firewood. It handles all the heavy lifting while you enjoy the spectacle. It operates smoothly, reliably, and tirelessly, giving your back and hands a well-deserved break to focus on things you truly enjoy. The rack and pinion log splitter, based on the kinetic energy accumulation principle, operates 3 times faster than its hydraulic counterparts while using minimal electricity. Its simple assembly, compact size, and ability to process up to 1 cubic meter per hour makes it an ideal choice for those who prioritize time and efficiency. Picture a fortune wheel, but instead of rewards, it delivers perfectly chopped firewood. This homemade splitter, featuring a wooden flywheel and rail axles, easily tackles even the hardest logs. With the electric motor and flat belt doing all the work, your role is simply to feed the wood and reap the benefits. A double saw with a conveyor is a smart way to work. Featuring 2 carbide tooth saws, an automatic log rotating mechanism, and a conveyor belt, it creates a streamlined process where sawing, splitting, and sorting happen effortlessly. The finished firewood is neatly loaded and ready for transport. The Kollendorf manual log splitters deliver quiet and reliable operation. Featuring levers, wedges, and durable steel frames, these models operate with the precision of Swiss watches, requiring little effort while offering excellent control. Ideal for preparing firewood for fireplaces, stoves, or saunas, without noise, dust, or fuel emissions. Building a log splitter at home is simpler than it seems. With an electric motor, a gearbox, and a few bolts, you can assemble a powerful machine ready for action. The secret lies in taking your time, setting the angles accurately, and keeping all moving parts well lubricated. The Gorinich 9T log splitter is a powerhouse, delivering 9 tons of force to split logs faster than you can reload them. Powered by a 3-kilowatt electric motor and a reinforced screw mechanism, it transforms even the toughest wood into neatly split logs with ease and stability. When you're pressed for time and faced with a pile of logs, a DIY log cutting machine becomes your ultimate ally. Equipped with a powerful electric saw, it slices through logs in no time, producing perfectly uniform pieces, as though precision crafted. When a pile of logs challenges you, the gearbox splitter steps up with a powerful response. Feed in a log, and it's instantly transformed into neat firewood while you stay cool and relaxed. Don't forget to gather your freshly chopped warmth with a sense of accomplishment. Meet the ultimate wood-splitting champion, armed with a 1-63 gearbox, a 6.5 horsepower motor, and a level of power that could make a tractor jealous. With this powerhouse, cutting firewood feels as easy as slicing fresh bread. Strong, quick, and deeply satisfying as you conquer nature with ease. The electro-hydraulic splitter does all the heavy lifting for you, leaving only the pleasure of perfectly split logs in its wake. Feed in the wood, push a button, and watch it work its magic effortlessly, turning hard labor into an effortless task. The Cordo Branch Shredder is a premium garden tool that clears your yard and preps firewood for the fireplace in no time. Compact yet powerful, it handles branches of all sizes, transforming them into ideal fire-starting materials with ease. Featuring an 18-inch blade and a robust 7.5 horsepower motor, this circular sawmill processes logs up to 16 feet in length. Its reinforced steel frame, movable carriage, and precise linear guides turn cutting into a finely tuned craft, making you feel like a master woodworker. The manual log splitter, crafted from steel scraps and a car spring, is a masterpiece of garage ingenuity. Its hardened steel blade and strong spring make wood splitting exciting. Just place the log, press the lever, and it's done. Say goodbye to tiresome axe work and hello to quick, clean cuts with minimal effort. In European firewood processing, machines handle the splitting while humans oversee the operation. A hydraulic press with 30 tons of force and an automatic feeding system transforms logs into perfectly stacked firewood without a single axe swing. All the operator needs to do is load the logs and admire the efficiency. The standard lever log splitter by Kolondrov is a simple yet efficient tool designed for speed and ease of use. Its quick assembly, durable construction, and ability to handle logs up to 18 inches long make it a practical choice for hassle-free splitting.